In this lesson, the students make a 10 to add. So if the example problem is 4 plus 8, they grab that bigger number, they start with that bigger number, the 8, and they put that 8 in their tens frame, and then they show the 4 outside. Then they need to turn it into a 10, so they would put their 8 red ones in, and then they're going to add in their 4 more, but they're going to start by drawing it in the tens frame. So they're 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they can count it up. They have their new fact, which is that 10 in the tens frame, plus their 2 outside of the tens frame, and that 10 plus 2 is 12, so then they know 4 plus 8 is 12. A couple more example problems. If they have 9 plus 5, you can see that the 9 are already shown inside the tens frame, the 5 are outside the tens frame. Now they're going to use that same process. They're going to draw their 9 inside the tens frame using their red. Then they're going to count on their other 5. They're going to draw them in starting with the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As they write their new fact, they start with 10, their tens frame, plus the 4 outside of the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 10 plus 4 is that 14. One more, they have 4 plus 7. We use that bigger number, those 7 inside the tens frame, the 4 outside the tens frame. As the kids go to make their new fact, they draw the 7 in because it's the bigger number. Then they count on the 4 more inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it up. They have their 10 in their tens frame plus 1 more, so they write 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is their 11. They go back, that 4 plus 7 is 11, and I forgot to do that on that top one. They just take that number, move it right over. 9 plus 5 is 14.